Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to edit PDF file in Adobe Acrobat 2024. So firstly, let's go to Adobe Acrobat. Now choose one PDF you want to edit. Double click on that, and then you will find here Tools option. Click on Tools. Then you will find here Edit PDF. Just click on Open, and then you are able to edit the PDF. I'm gonna delete this one and write anything here. If you want to change the font, you can change the font by clicking here. Any font you can use. Just choose the text and you can change the font by here. Okay, you can change the font size. It should be like this. Just click on this and you can change the font size. Then you can see here many different type of alignments. The first alignment this one, second is this one, and third this one, fourth this one. You can choose the alignment you want. That's up to you. You can change the text gap from here. You can choose this gap, or you can choose this gap. You can make this gap. Okay, now you can see the university here. You can change the text to italic or any other version you want. You can underline this one. You can crop pages. You can crop pages by clicking on this, and you can see the header or footer. You can add any header or footer by here, and then you can see here add text. If you want to add any text, just click on this add text, and you can add any text here like hello. Okay guys, so this is how you can edit a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.